Invisible asteroids could strike Earth at any time. Scientists have warned that an unknown number of space rocks could be headed for Earth, but they may be invisible to us as they are hidden in the glare of the sun. Thanks to our atmosphere, these rocks they're usually eliminated before they can cause much damage to the planet, but this is not always the case. For example, the Chelyabinsk Russian meteor that struck in 2013, no one saw coming. No one saw the Chelyabinsk meteor coming, despite it being the biggest asteroid to strike Earth in more than a century. The space rocks smashed into western Russia, generating a shock wave as strong as 35 Hiroshima atomic bombs and leveling more than 1,600 buildings. Now, so how come no one detected the 60-foot wide meteor heading straight for us? The answer, according to the expert, is that it was hidden by the glare of our sun. Mail Online reports, worse still, it will not be the only one, as they warned that an unknown number of space rocks could be headed for Earth undetected. Asteroids the size of the Chelyabinsk meteor strike Earth roughly every 50 to 100 years, warned Richard Mossel, the European Space Agency's head of planetary defense. Injuries caused by air blasts or similar events could be prevented if people are informed of an oncoming impact and its predicted effects. With advance warning, local authorities would be able to advise the public to keep well away from windows and glasses, the glass that could be shattering. Now, so just how can astronomers spot these invisible asteroids lurking in the sun's glare? The European Space Agency is set to launch its NEOMER, Near-Earth Object Mission in Infrared, orbiting observatory later this decade, which will act as an early warning system to detect and monitor any asteroid coming towards Earth from the sun's direction. NEOMER will be located at the L1 Lagrange point between Earth and the sun. Undisturbed by Earth's atmosphere, its infrared telescope will be able to spot asteroids 65 feet and larger currently lurking in the sunlight. Moisel added, ESA upcoming NEOMER mission will detect asteroids like Chelyabinsk coming from the same region in the sky as the sun, filling a vital gap in our current liabilities to predict and plan for hazardous impacts. The space agency admits there is possibility that an asteroid even bigger than what NEOMER will be able to detect could impact Earth from the day side, but such a scenario is less likely. It's because the larger the asteroid, the fewer there are in the solar system, and the easier they are to detect. So much so that almost all asteroids larger than half a mile wide have already been discovered, they believe. Scott Shepard from the Carnegie Institute for Science in Washington, D.C., has previously said the discoveries of near-Earth objects, NEOs, are only just beginning, in part because of the history of the observatories. Most telescopes tend to look away from our planet so they can avoid the glare of the sun. However, new surveys are beginning to peer in the other direction and revealing more NEOs, including never-before-seen asteroids. This is by Neil Harris on News Punch. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box.